How to find your link on Monopoly Go! Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to find your link on Monopoly Go. An invite link is a special URL that allows you to invite your friends to join the game. So to find your link on Monopoly Go, first, open the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see a few icons there. Look for the one that says Friends and tap on it. We'll take you to your friends list and other social features. Find the button called Invite. It should be at the bottom. Tap on it. Here's where you can see two buttons under Invite. One likely says Invite with a generic icon, while the other might mention Facebook integration. If you want to invite your Facebook friends directly, you can tap the button that mentions Facebook. This might require connecting your Monopoly Go account to Facebook. If you want to send the invite link to someone specific, like a friend who isn't on Facebook, tap the Invite button. This will copy your unique invite link to your clipboard. You can then paste this link and share it with your friends on platforms like WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other way you prefer. And this is how to find your link on Monopoly Go. If you have any questions about Monopoly Go, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.